Welcome to Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and in today's video we're going to do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car was built by Boost Logic. It put down 1,000 wheel horsepower on E65. You can see this beautiful matte iced blue titanium wrap by KPMF. So let's get into it here. Let's check out this front right wheel. Like I said, we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. I don't see any curb rash. Got the beautiful carbon ceramics. Nice mirror finish. Looks like a tiny rock chip here. Looking at this wrap, this color is just wicked cool. See a really small scuff right there. These emblems were removed and brand new ones were installed, so they have that nice OEM fit. Looks gorgeous. All the carbon here on the mirrors and the side blades are wrapped in PPF, so those are fully protected. Now there's a couple bubbles in here, but otherwise that thing looks perfect. Here on the A-pillar, looking beautiful. This wrap was installed in 2022. The car is always garaged, of course. So it looks really, really good. We got a little scuff here, probably from somebody's shoe rubbing on it. The carbon looks perfect. All of that looks amazing. You do have a sticker here that can be removed. There's a couple parts installed by the shop of Houston on this as well. The main components were all done by Boost Logic. You have a couple scuffs right there. The rest of that quarter panel looks good. Checking out this wheel, you do have a chip right here, and that will get touched up. Other than that though, that wheel looks awesome. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Looking at the front end, let's start with the hood here on the top side. Kind of scan through this. I see a mark right here, little scuff. You know, and some of this stuff, I don't know if it can come out or not, but that is there. Little scuff here, tiny rock impact. I mean, this front end looks awesome though. Little rock impact there. A couple tiny little surface scuffs. Otherwise, that thing looks perfect. Here on that headlight, looks amazing. We get down low right here, you do have some curb rash. It grazed the bumper and it removed some of that wrap. It disappears about right here though, so you walk around this car, for the most part you're not going to see that. You got to get really low. Now you have a carbon lip here. We're going to walk all the way around. I don't see any rash right here. So far that looks perfect. I don't see any rash on that. And looking at this bumper edge, all of that looks perfect. Now we get real close here on this edge, you're going to see that wrap kind of pulling back just a little bit. Looks like you can kind of push it back down. One rock chip here. Otherwise, this front end looks amazing. The Quattro here was painted in an orange accent. And then in just a little bit you'll see why once you look at the engine bay. That front end looks gorgeous though. Alright, checking here on the front. All of that looks really nice. Underside of the hood looks perfect. You can see they did a really good job on that wrap, on that edge. Nice and clean. All right, checking out this side. Looking at that fender, two tiny little scuffs right there. The rest of that looks good. And looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. That looks really nice. Got the AUDI valve stem cap here. That mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. See a really small scuff there. Here on the lower side of the door, got a little scuff in the wrap. It's very hard to tell if that damaged the paint. You can see another scuff there. Otherwise, that lower side looks really good. Carbon's clean. You do have PPF on here. I see a little snag on the film, it looks like. That upper section looks good. Roof is clean. Quarter panel looks good. Checking out this wheel. I don't see any curb rash. That looks awesome. All right, checking out the back. Got the best view right here. Look at that. That looks awesome. We'll get a closer look at that in a second here. Looking at this spoiler, it does not have PPF on it. That upper side looks good. Looking at the taillight, that looks awesome. Let's see in there, check that out. Super cool. Really small scuff there. Looking at that diffuser, all carbon. Looks like we have some rash though, right there. That one looks good. That blade looks nice. That one looks good. I'm looking at this side. All of this looks good. That back end is super clean. And check this out. This looks amazing. The carbon here on this brace. When you get really close, you can see the blue in there. That looks really good. Here on the cover, you do have a chip right there in the clear. Looks like one small one right there. That side looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. And it is really, really clean in here. Looking at this upper door panel. Looks good. Got all the carbon here. It's nice and clean. These buttons look awesome. All of that looks good. Lower side's clean. Got the carbon insert here, looks amazing. And then here is the factory color underneath that wrap. Beautiful, beautiful color as well. Here on the bolster. That looks really nice. That side is clean as well. Love the stitching here on the inserts. That seat looks amazing. Here on the steering wheel, looking for any scratches. So far that looks good. All these buttons are clean. Got the carbon surrounding the cluster here. Little insert there, and then you can see it around the air vents. Looks beautiful. Heated seats. See all the carbon on the console. This thing is really, really nice. All right, looking at the passenger door panel. That upper section looks amazing. Got all the carbon here. That looks really good. The rest of that panel looks amazing. Got the carbon here. Looks like a little scratch right there. The rest of that looks good. Checking out that bolster. Looks amazing. This side looks good as well. All the stitching is nice and clean. Looking at the side of the console here, looks really good. Here on that lower section, you do have a little scratch. And then looking at that glove box, the underside looks awesome. Here on the upper side of the dash, trying to get up close here, looking for any flaws. So far, all of that looks good. Then you got the full Alcantara headliner with the matching stitching. And then here you got the Alcantara headliner. Looks awesome. This side looks really, really good.